What's up everybody, it's your man Harris here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up an if-else statement in JavaScript. For this example, I've got a little program here that tells you which pet you should adopt based on an if-else statement. Now, I've got the link to this code in the description, so feel free to download it and follow along. So currently, our answer is set to dog as the pet we should adopt. So let's take a look at the code and figure out why that is. So first, we've got a variable up here called answer that we've set to equal 0. And now we've got our if-else statement written here. So in our if statement, we say if answer is equal to 0, make the text content say dog. Now that's why we have dog over here in our program, because answer is equal to 0 up here where we initially set it. We said answer is 0. And in the if statement, it's saying if answer is 0, then display dog, which that means that the if condition was met and it will skip these other two conditions. Now we've got a second condition here that says if answer is equal to 1, our else if condition, if answer is equal to 1, display cat. So if we go back up to our answer and we change it to 1, and we save it and we refresh the page, it will now say cat, because now this condition within the two parentheses was met. So, and then finally we have our else condition. So that means that if answer is anything other than 1 or 0, it's going to display fish. So if I change answer to 5 and I save it and I refresh, it's going to now say fish, because it will go through the if condition and it will realize that answer is not 0, and then it will go to the else if condition and realize that answer is not 1, and it will jump right down to the else condition and it will show fish. So else is basically just like if any other of your conditions don't evaluate to true, then else is like the default condition. So if none of your conditions are met, it will jump down to the default, else. So anyway, that's how you set up an if-else statement in JavaScript. And make sure you guys check out our sponsor invoicebell.app, where you can create a free account and you can do all of your invoices, estimates, and quotes. You can bill customers and also has multi-language support. If you check out the template here, it's very easy to use and it's available to use on your desktop, tablet, or phone, and all of your documents get saved to the cloud. And again, it's a free account, so make sure you guys sign up. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a great night.